Hey YouTube fans, and Big Boy here with another Transformers Spark Wars review. And this time we'll be reviewing Reveal the Shield Deluxe Class Laser Optimus Prime. Now, I hear it's a recondo of G2 Laser Optimus. Yeah, some nameplate there. Anyways, before we get started again, I'd like everyone to know that Transformers is owned by Hasbro and Takaya. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's owned by them too. Anyways, down to the figure. Pretty nice. Rolls easily. Got some piping there for light effects. And pretty good side. Nice. Yeah. Although, in my world, the best way to some people are just mad about. Yeah. So nice vehicle mode. As you can see, no kibble anywhere on here. But that's just on the top view, side view, and if you take a look under, and kibble everywhere. You can see the feet and the legs, the crotch and the lower chest. You can see the entire arms and the shoulders. Yep. However, the only way people are gonna see, I guess it's okay because the only way people can see that is if, hey, you were under this guy. You were fixing him by wheeling it under. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, they do that. Or if he just jumped off a bridge. Yep. Other than that, no one you can see it. So yeah, this, and now that we've seen the vehicle, let's get down to the transformation. First thing we want to do is lift this up, pull these things to the side. Then what you want to do next is pull the legs apart. Take the sword out. Pull the handle down, slide this over, pull under, and you have Optimus Prime's sword. And put that aside for now. Then what you want to do next is pull these down. Then you pull the legs, feet out. Then we go. Then let's go to the arms. So first, pull the doors out. Then I find it easy to pull the head out. Pull it up top. Then fold in the window planes. Then what you do next is pull the shoulders down, and then pull this up, push it down, then back to the legs. You flip these panels over, then you twist the legs around, the wheels around up, then push them in, and you do the same for this, and you do the same for this side. Then you get the sword and you can put it in his hand. And you're done. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Optimus Prime and Laser Reveal the Shield, Laser Optimus Prime in robot mode. Now for articulation, shoulders swivel, you can lift up and down. Also the arms move on their own ratchet joint, have their own joint once you ratchet, but they can swivel out and out. Arm bends at the elbow, hand swivels, and a good bonus is the hand goes up and down. The legs, and you get a little swivel in the hip there, nothing more. And the legs, good, maybe a more good degree twist. It swivels at the waist. Yeah, good knee joint there. And the feet is on a ball joint, so you can get it into any position you want. Heck, you can even have it go backwards. The head, however, you can make it go up. He can look up, down, left, and right. Heck, he's on a ball joint, so you can make him go. You can have his head backwards. Light piping, as you can see his whole head. This whole section is piping, so he gets a pretty good light piping. And if you look closely at the chest, you can see the matrix leadership in him. Anyways, once you got that, the head sculpt is amazing. I really like it. And at first, I would like get it, and thanks to the joints, you can have him. You can pose him with. So with all of this, you can pose him into a very cool variety of poses. If you want to get this figure, I say go for it. This is an awesome figure to have. And that's all I can say. That not much else. This is an and that's it for now. So until next time, rock and roll.